Discover your golf game at Burke Lake Golf Center. Burke Lake offers a range of amenities designed to refine your skills. Perfect your swing at the 64-station double-decker range featuring 24 covered bays, new targets, and LED lighting. Master your short game on our expansive practice area. Play a round on the 18-hole par 3 course, perfect for beginners and seasoned players alike. Join group classes or private lessons led by experienced PGA pros. Test the latest clubs and find the perfect fit with our certified club fitters. Young golfers can enjoy year-round programs and discounts. Recharge at the Mulligan's Grill with tasty daily food and beverage specials. Discover the newest golf trends and styles at our expanded pro shop. For more information, visit us on the web.